In the vast universe of content creation, your YouTube channel is but a small balloon among millions. But size isn't everything. It's the shine that matters. Your journey starts small, surrounded by giants. Challenges will come. Stay steadfast. Learn from obstacles. Adapt. Grow. Remember, even the biggest can fade if they stop shining. Every experience, every video adds to your glow. Consistency is key. Keep creating. Keep improving. Your dedication will pay off. Your channel will shine. And one day you might outshine the rest. But remember, your success can inspire others. Support fellow creators. Together we can make the whole sky shine brighter. Start your journey today. Stay steadfast and watch your channel shine.